So I'm making Fabian a video, but not only am I making Fabian a video, I'm testing out the GoPro Remote. So, here we go. Alright, you ready for this?
Can you get the stuff? I'll get some stuff.
Nah, I won't get the stuff. You gotta get everything. This is your...
Today, we're gonna be fixing my bike.
Wow.
I have been getting reports from a guy named John. And he said that you guys have been rowdy.
So are we getting a ticket or what?
Are you the cop or what?
Yes.
Cop's wearing pink chunky.
You got what coming in the box. Tell the people what comes in the box. What's in it? It's time to get it. Let's get it on. Let's put it on. What is it? Let's see. Don't let this stuff fall. We need all that stuff important.
Oh God.
Alright, so what you got? How many of those? 6 zip ties?
Yeah.
I'll hold those for you.
And I got this.
Oh, let me see. Is it for one
It's-
tire or what?
I might be using this bike myself.
Drop your bike in front of your face!
I felt really bad.
Really bad, Delilah. Really bad.
And then I was mad.
Matt?
And I was like, dude, really? What the?
Si es importante para las familias, es importante aquí. Atón, para servirte aquí.
All the action's happening on this bike, Christina.
It has a cookie dough-like texture unlike any other protein bar. Fuel your holiday season with Perfect Bar. Tap your screen now or visit the Starbucks app to place a mobile order for pickup.
Wrap it around. You have to wrap it around all the way to get to the top. One right there.
Okay. Okay.
See how it's in between?
And
Gonna go in and out.
Separated so you can't see anything but your little toes. Okay?
All right.
That's a cool one right there. That's a cool one right there.
My goodness.
Are you gonna join the circus or what?
Why not like that? Which one? This one?
This is for your YouTube channel. You show the people how to do it. You know how to do it?
Which one, Dion?
That one right there. And you're gonna turn it to the right. There you go. Just like that.
Llegó el rip y lo demás no importa. Pero los dejas para después porque ahora estás disfrutando del sándwich que tanto habías esperado. Regresando al grip. Ba, 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 ba. En la
It's Saturday afternoon and Molly's getting really wild in her living room. She shows
Are you using your Christmas tools?
No.
No.
Doesn't have it.
Because she applied Voltaren arthritis pain gel. Voltaren gel has been clinically proven to
Alright, I did the other one.
reduce stiffness and improve mobility.
Oh, this is pretty easy.
When we turn it on, the monkey can see big boy.
Zoom in.
Go. See how you got your bright clothes coming up now?
Oh, God.
You got it right.
Off you go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go. Yeah. Yeah, big boy. Yeah, big boy. Who's a big, big boy? Who's the big, big boy? Slow down now, big boy. Slow down now. Yeah.
There was a potato that flew around my...
Huh?
Follow, like, and subscribe. See y'all tomorrow. Bye!
I got lifelong dreams, approaching on the scene. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. I'ma go ahead and do this, so why you acting clueless? I done said it all before, I thought you already knew this. I got lifelong dreams, approaching on the scene. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. I'ma go ahead and do this. I'ma go ahead and do this. I got lifelong dreams. 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 I got lifelong.
This what I was fell.
What?
This was what I got for Christmas. Christina.